I like your swag, boy, I like your swag. You look like that, look just like your dad. You like that, you look just like your dad.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Sean. I'm back with another video. Now today I'm gonna be showing y'all 3 more hairstyles you can actually do with your box braids. I want to thank everybody for showing love on my last video. My last video just hit over 1,000 views today. I want to thank everybody for liking, sharing, subscribing, every fucking thing. But y'all know how I like to do. I like to get straight into the video, so let's get it. Alright, I call this one the Lil Uzi Virtue, feel me? Cause it's in 2 ponytails and you can see the line, you can see the shape up, you can see all that, you feel me? And this another hairstyle I gotta show y'all too. It's basically the same thing as this one. All you doing is basically taking like 2 braids and putting it in front of your face. I'm gonna show you in the next scene after this shit finish, you feel me? Alright. So you already know what I'm about to do, you feel me? I'm about to dip it in the braids, you feel me? So what you gonna do is, like I said in the last scene, you gonna take 2 braids, you know what I'm saying, and put it over your face, just like that. But you see how the braids is a little dry? Don't worry about it, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna get your little bottle, a little cup, and you're gonna dip it in the braids, you feel me? After you dip it in the braids, you're going to hold it there for a good 5 seconds, you know what I'm saying? Just let the water marinate into the braids, you know what I'm saying? Then you're going to take the other braids, you know what I'm saying? You're going to dip it right in, you know what I'm saying? Dip it right in. You're going to tilt it over, you know what I'm saying? So it can get on the root, you know what I'm saying? And after you done doing that, your shit should be straight now, you feel what I'm saying? You should be dripping, you know what I'm saying? Well, that shit was hot, you feel what I'm saying? You saw me shaking my hand? That shit was boiling, my nigga. I advise y'all niggas to use cold water or warm water, my nigga. Don't be like me, my nigga. I'm a dumb nigga. Making this shit mad hot, bro, to the point where you can't even hold the bottle, my nigga. Shit feel like I boiled water and poured it into the bottle. Alright, so I call this look the little Trill Sammy look, you know what I'm saying? For all my new subscribers, I previously made a video called how to make a perfect man bun. It's basically the exact same thing. All you doing is using your box braids. Alright, so for this hairstyle, I call this the Jaydayoungan, you feel me? So basically what you gonna do is you gonna dip it in the braids, you feel me? So you're gonna take 2 braids down, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna dip one in, you know what I'm saying? Then you're gonna just dip it in the braids, dip it in the braids, dip it in the braids, you feel me? After you done dipping that one in the braids, you feel me? You're gonna dip the other one in the braids. And the reason why I'm dipping it in the braids, even though like it's already like fake kind of straight a little bit, is because for me, you want your shits to be all the way straight, you know what I'm saying? You don't want no curls, no lumps, no none of that in your shit. You want your shit to be all the way straight, you feel me? That's why, alright? And it's always good to keep your hair hydrated anyway, so either way it's a good thing. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, learned from it. I hope you guys learned more hairstyles, and most importantly, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, share, subscribe if you're new. And I'm out, bruh. Gang!